eius in adiutorium meum intende.
Domine ad adiuvandum me festina.
Giuliano.
Your Eminence, you're now my prisoner. Guns in the house of God! A deceitful man in the house of God. You broke your word to me.
I shall not move from this place. Kill me. Here.
If you don't come with me, I'll tie you up like a goat. Carry you off to the mountains. Christ waved at them.
Your immortal soul is in peril, my son.
My soul? Think of yours. There is a special district in hell for false priests. You'll have a lot of company there. Many friends, I should think.
What do you want?
I wanted you to be an honest man of God, but you were not. Now, I want you to tell the people that the church will bless them if they take possession of the uncultivated land in Sicily.
I am not the church. I'm not even an honest man of God in your eyes.
But I'm giving you a chance to redeem yourself.
There is only one Redeemer, and you are not he. Now stop this comedy and shoot your gun. It is all you know how to do anyway.
You lied to me. Dare to, Sabatini!
You have gone too far, my son. You have sailed off the map of this world. I've often talked about you with Don Mazzino. Ever since you were shot stealing, what was it, bread, he has protected you. From the friends, from the police, from everyone. Except yourself. He wanted you to be his son. I warned him this was not possible, that you are no one's son except God's. And God's purposes are not of this earth. Don Mazzino means to save your wife and unborn child. With my blessing, he will try to save you. I have advised against it. Now you know everything. My son, you are at the end. So kill me as the last bit of color in the glorious story of Giuliano the bandit.
Whatever I've been, I was not just a bandit. I was... Stop the car. Get out.
We have had only one savior, Giuliano, and we crucified him 2,000 years ago.
Ah!